What's up my people, it's your girl Donna and I'm here with another video. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you will be the first to know when I upload my next video. Let's dive right into it. Today I am going to cook some Spanish rice. I boiled 1 cup of coconut milk with 6 to 8 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Upon doing that, I had a little piece of scallion, thyme, half of onion, half of bell pepper, a little salt, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, a little pimento seed, 2 to 3 cups of mixed vegetable, and half of teaspoon of egg powder. So once you put a little tip of the egg powder in water, that's the color it gave you, like orange color. So it's gonna make the rice look like that. So there you have it. So I'm gonna boil all of that again for about 10 to 15 minutes. Upon doing that, I am going to wash the rice with some hot water. 2 pounds of rice. So while that is boiling, I am washing the rice. When I finish, I am going to add the rice. Okay, so now I'm adding the rice and I'm gonna mix the rice up. So it's all covered. And the fire is on high, and as soon as it starts boiling up, I turn the stove down. Let the rice steam. And there you have it. That's how I cook my Spanish rice. I leave the pot open and the fire's on low, so all the water get to dry out. And that's it, you guys. That's how I cook my Spanish rice in less than an hour. Quick and easy. These are my previous dish that I do the video before. This is ACKEE and SALTFISH. Now this is okra and saltfish, brown stew fish, vegetable soup with chicken foot, pig's tail soup with red peas, barbecue chicken, sweet potato pudding, Christmas cake, otherwise known as black fruit cake. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Leave me a comments below. Tell me what you think. And bye for now. Bye, guys.